Hey, what's going on everyone? Matthew from therighttrader.com back again with another video today. We're going to be talking about Boeing stock and doing a price prediction and analysis for 2020. Boeing is obviously one of the bigger companies out there. It has a very nice dividend of right under 2.5%. It had a very nice run over the last 5 years. However, it has run into some resistance now at around $400 to $450 is where a lot of the resistance is. And we're going to be taking a look at what that all means on the chart. Also, don't forget to check out my stock price predictions playlist for 2020. This is all the 2020 price prediction videos that I've done on stocks. So if you're interested in checking that out, make sure to click the link in the description of this video. I've already covered Apple, Tesla, and a whole bunch of others. I'm sure you'll find some of those interesting. But today we're talking about Boeing. So first off, I'm going to point out that we have been in a range, in fact, right, between $320 and on the upside around $390, $400, right? So very clear range. Now, the thing is, although we've been in this range and we haven't broken, really above or below it for the most part, except this exception right here and down here, we've been in this range, right? But I think that we may in fact see a move downwards here for Boeing. Now, a lot of the stocks that I've analyzed, they were actually looking pretty bullish. Boeing, however, this pattern isn't good. And I'm not just saying that for my own biased reasons or anything like that. This is a well-known technical analysis pattern, which is known as the head and shoulders pattern, which is a bearish pattern, right? And I'm going to talk about this in more detail, but basically, as you can see, it leads to a pullback. Now, I'm not saying that Boeing stock is just going to completely crash or anything like that, but it does seem like, maybe this $275 area right here where our 200-day moving average is something that's going to be tested in 2020. Now, let me go ahead and just show you what's going on the indicators as well. RSI has been strongly downtrending, and this is bad because we've been flat on the stock, right? But in this time, the RSI has gone down. I've talked about this in my other videos like this. This is known as a bearish divergence because the indicator is showing a bearish downtrending signal while the stock is, flat. This shows that the stock is likely going to move lower in the short term and in the near future. It kind of predicts that move lower on the price in advance, right? And if we take a look at the MACD, that's confirmed. We've got that same downtrend line going on. Now, as far as the actual price is concerned, I'm going to go ahead and remove these. I'll keep the support level. Actually, I'm just going to remove this top horizontal resistance level just to make it clear. But basically, I'll go ahead and draw this out with the brush tool, show you the head and shoulder pattern on the actual chart. So we've got our first shoulder right here, and then that little pullback. Then we've got the head, that's the peak right here. Then we have the second shoulder over here, and then we're probably going to break this $320 level very soon and move back down to I kind of drew this out a little bit too much maybe, but probably I can see us testing maybe within the next 3 to 4 months this $275 level. Where is the lowest that I see Boeing moving in 2020? I don't really see Boeing moving lower than $250 just because that is a very strong support level, and I don't think there's anything that would warrant also Boeing falling lower than that. I mean, it's in a good position and everything in the US, so I don't think that there's anything to worry about fundamentally necessary on that level. But yes, it does seem like it just reached too much resistance here in this $400 area, and that we're not going to be able to break higher due to this head and shoulder pattern. Like I said, very typical pattern. This is one that doesn't really lie. And one thing that I also want to point out is, you can see there's two shoulders and the head, right? One thing that's always a little bit more bearish is when the peak of one shoulder, specifically the first shoulder, is higher than the second one. So if I go ahead and draw it out, it's very minimal, but if you pay real close attention, we actually made a lower high here on the second peak, and I can confirm that exactly with this high being 394.28 and this high being 391. So that $3 difference unfortunately puts in that lower high on the second one, which shows that even more weakness is coming in. And now we can really pay more close attention to probably this downtrend line right here, which is going to set that selling pressure and that pressure downwards as it's going to push us to this 200-day moving average at $273. Like I said, probably the low that will hit in 2020 will be $250, and then we can expect a nice bounce as we reattempt to move into that $300 range towards the end of the year. With that being said, everyone, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more videos like this. Also, don't forget to check out those other stock price prediction videos for 2020, and make sure to check out my technical analysis master course, complete with everything you need to know about technical analysis in over 15 video lessons: how to spot opportunities, how to spot trends, candlesticks, trading indicators, all the advanced trading indicators that you need to know. It even comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee and costs less than $20 for a lifetime of knowledge. Can't beat that in my opinion. This isn't something that's just going to last you a day or two. This is going to be yours forever. With that being said, thanks for watching and have a great day.